Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing and an initial review of the ever popular Milwaukee M12 3/8 inch cordless ratchet. So if you guys have been following along, we've done the 1/2 inch impact, we've done the 3/8 inch stubby impact gun, and now we have the 3/8 inch ratchet. So as always, we have the tool, came in the plastic. We have the owner's manual, the operational manual, and then we have, again, the Milwaukee propaganda trying to get you to buy more things. Looking at the tool itself, great Milwaukee quality, feels heavy in the hands. Let's look at some of the specs of this guy. So this is gonna give you 35 pounds of nut busting torque versus the stubby that I just reviewed, which gave us 250. This doesn't have an impacting feature. It's good for getting into tight spots. Say if you're taking something off, some plastic pieces, you might have 10 bolts holding in a inner fender liner that you can use this for, throw it in there, get those taken off really fast, and save yourself a lot of time. This has the RedLink intelligence system, and then it just basically says that it's a low profile. So this comes with a 5-year warranty, just like a lot of their other power tools. I have a brand new Milwaukee M12 battery here that I'm gonna toss into it. So we have one light. Again, I would like to see the 3 lights, but it's kind of hard with this. You really only need one light pointing up to where you're gonna be at. You're not gonna be using this thing like this. So we have the 3 lights on the side indicating the battery. You can see it light up whenever you click the trigger. There's actually a locking button on here, so it locks out the trigger. You can use this as a normal ratchet. So say if you get into a situation where the bolt is too tight for this to take off, it's gonna be more than 35 foot-pounds of torque that's gonna take to take it off. You can actually use this as a ratchet, keeping it on the bolt and turning it yourself. It's gonna ratchet and it's gonna work just like that. Then once you get to a certain point, you can just click it and run it off. Let me show you my favorite feature about this ratchet. So this thing will go from 0 RPM all the way up to 250 RPM. It's just very satisfying to watch and to play with. So long-term review, like I said, guys, these things are super reliable. It'll save you a lot of time. It's a great investment. On that note, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.